Hello. In the process of building the Queenanne desk, I've got to make some Cabriole legs. We're going to start with this 2 3/4 inch square block. We've got a template that we have drawn on in 2 different directions. We're going to bandsaw it out. We will end up with a rough shaped leg, and then with some files, card scrapers, rasps, chisels, whatever, we're going to shape it into that. Alright, so now we've got one side cut, but in the process of cutting that, we removed our pattern for the other side. So now we've got to tape this back on, a little bit of masking tape. So we could see our pattern. And the way this one laid out, I'm going to have to draw in the bottom. And we'll put this side back on for some stability to it. Alright, so now that we've cut it all out, we take all the scrap pieces we had taped off on, this is what you end up with. Now we've got to smooth all of the rough surfaces out. Got to round it all over. We want this as close to round as we could get. We want to do a nice even curve back here. And what we're going to end up with is a nice ankle like that. Nice curve on the back for the heel. And smooth surfaces, rounded corners. Now comes the fun part.